Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on the TikTok app. First of all, let's launch the TikTok app. You want to click on the app when you want to launch it. Then you want to go on your profile. You click on the lower right corner if you have a default feed from TikTok. When you're already on your profile, you want to click on your actual profile image. You want to click on it, and then you will see a small pen next to your profile image. You want to click on this small pen. This will let you simply to edit and to pick a new picture. You will have the option to take a brand new photo. You will have the option to view your current photo, and you will have the option to upload photo. In our case, we're going to choose to upload something from our gallery. You want to click upload photo, and then you can scroll down and just for example pick something that you like. Then you have the option to crop it, zoom in, zoom out. You have the option to preview, and you have, very important, this is a new feature, to publish this photo. This will appear as a post next to the other videos or next to your stories. You have the option to do so. For more questions and reviews about different topics and tricks, subscribe and come back for more.